What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to add Abstract chain to MetaMask wallet. At the time of recording this video, the mainnet is not live, so I'm going to show you on a testnet, but the steps are going to be exactly the same on the mainnet, and I'll show you where to get information, all the links that you will need to add into your MetaMask and where they're going to be posted. So first, let's take a look at their website. So on their website, what we need to do, we need to go to developer and then docs. Once this is gonna appear in here, we need to press on connect to Abstract, and I'm gonna leave links in the description below. So right here, as you can see, connect to Abstract, and at the time it's only testnet, but as you can see, mainnet right here is coming soon. So in January, once they're gonna release the mainnet, all the information just like this, it's gonna be down here, and you're gonna be able to do that, to add and use that into your MetaMask. So there's two different ways to do that. So one of them is just to connect your wallet, and second of them, it's to add manually. So let's do both ways. So first one, if you decide to add manually, what you need to do, you need to open up your MetaMask and then open up all the chains and then add custom network. This page is gonna appear. What you'll have to do, just copy and paste all this information here and then press on save, and it's gonna add Abstract chain to your MetaMask. Or what we can do in this case, since we're on their official website, just press on connect wallet. This is gonna appear, press on connect. Okay, once it's gonna connect, you'll see switch network. Press on it, and then in your MetaMask, it's gonna pop up with add Abstract Testnet, or in our case, once you're gonna be adding the mainnet, it's gonna have a mainnet option, and you just press on approve, or you can see the details. This is basically everything copied from here, and then you just press on approve, and that's it. It's gonna add network automatically. By default, Ethereum on Abstract, and everything else is going to be added. And this is it. This is how you add Abstract chain to MetaMask wallet. All the links for the mainnet, once it's going to come out, I will leave in the description below. Thanks for watching.